Hello, beautiful souls. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing. We took another trip to Centric crystals, and I wanted to share with you what we got. Deanna has a fabulous store. The first thing that we got was an apatite heart. And apatite is used for manifestation. It helps with motivation, focus, which obviously I need a lot of that. Let's see what else we have in this bag. I also got some crystal stands. She has a fabulous selection of stands. I think this is another one. These have a lot of shimmer and shine. And I got 2 of those. This is a piece of pineapple quartz that I got. Focus. There we go. And the pineapple quartz, it has for stabilizing your mood. Excuse me. It promotes optimism, enhances sleep, and eases anxiety. She always wraps everything so well. Make a safe trip home. This is just a selenite bowl that I got. And then these are just some stones. I got some hearts and then some tumbles for jewelry making. This is a red jasper heart. This is a small aventurine heart. I don't know if you can see the flash in there. Go. And then this one, I do not remember what it is, but it's very interesting. when you first look at it, it has pink in it, and then you flip it over and it's white with swirls. So if you have any idea what this is, leave it in the comment. And then I got a couple of amethyst stones and then some more apatite stones to work with. The other thing that she has in her store that are amazing, she has handmade incense, and she has a local artisan that makes all of her incense for her. I'm going to leave those in here. And then this package is the whole reason for our trip down there. I had purchased from her a tapestry. She has a lady in Phoenix that hand makes tapestries for her store, and we decided it was a bit large for her to ship to me. Let's see if I can get this in here. So here's the whole thing. It's very gorgeous. And that is going on the wall over my beading desk. So those are the things that we got with this trip to Centric Crystals. You can catch her Whatnot shows on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday evening at 7:30 if you would like to see what she has to offer. And thank you for joining me again, and I hope you have a blessed evening. Thank you.